Yep. Hello. Yes. Today I am going to teach you the physics chapter of 11th standard, that is optics. My name is Munshi. I am from Dr. Mohammed Iqbal Junior College, Ambajori. So let's start the chapter optics of 11th standard. Optics. We should know earlier that what is mean by optics. Optics actually is the branch of physics in which we study the nature of light. Optics is the branch of physics where we study the nature of light. What is light actually? And as we know that in order to see we need light, and without light we cannot see anything. So in earlier ages, it was believed that the light is the radiant energy which flows in any medium, and whenever this radiant energy collides on our retina of eyes, we just now able to see anything. But as time passes, the view towards the light is changes. In 20th century, it was believed that the light is the electromagnetic waves, and these waves are having very fast velocity, and according to the Einstein theory of relativity, the fastest velocity in the universe is of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. If we convert this meter into kilometer, it becomes 3 lakh kilometer per second. So that has a different nature. According to Newton is a very famous physicist. In 20th century, before 20th century, in 17th century approximately, I think, he said that light are particles, and to him Newton named corpuscle. Light flows in the form of very tiny, elastic and spherical particles, and they are very small in size. As soon as these particles collides on our retina of eyes, then we are just able to see anything. And he said that we are going to write some few points of Newton's theory. Newton's theory of light. First of all, Newton says light is particle in nature. Particle in nature. Second, particles are tiny, spherical and elastic. And he also says that Newton's, according to light, as the size of the as the size of the corpuscles changes, the color of light is also changes. Size of corpuscles changes light color. And he said that light's velocity is maximum in denser medium compared to rarer mediums. So these are some postulates, and you can say that some assumptions assumed by the Newtons. But after that, a few years later, a physicist from Dutch physicist whose name is Huygens put forward a new theory, and according to Huygens, light travels in the form of wave. Light travels in the form of wave. As Newton said that light is particles, and that particles are named as corpuscle. But Huygens says that the light is in the form of waves. Light is waves. And these waves are electromagnetic waves. Okay? And Huygens said that as the wavelength of light changes, then color of light also changes. And finally, he said that the velocity of light is maximum in rarer medium compared to denser medium. These are some assumptions and assumptions of Huygens theory. Some drawbacks of Huygens theory is that, according to this theory, some phenomena of light, like reflection of light, Crompton effect and Doppler effect, cannot be explained. And a very major drawback of Huygens theory was that, as he said that light travels only where there is a homogeneous medium, that is a homogeneous material, and that name is luminiferous ether is present. But up to this time, scientists have proved that there is no luminiferous type of medium or material is there in the universe. Some drawbacks of Huygens theory. But as time passes, as science has developed, then it was proved that, as Huygens said, that the velocity of light is maximum in rarer medium, in denser mediums. But Newton has failed to say the velocity of light in a denser medium is maximum. Here Newton becomes fails according to the velocity of light. After a few years, a new theory regarding the light has come in science, that was de Broglie theory. De Broglie theory of light. According to de Broglie, light has dual nature. Dual nature. That is, light is particle in nature, as well as wave in nature. And this theory is called wave in nature. This theory is called dual nature of light. Some few theories has also been put forward by different scientists of the world, that Planck's quantum theory. According to Planck's quantum theory, Planck said that light travels in the form of